Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of 3-part MotoGP Mandalika Circuit. Thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. I forgot how much work this stuff actually is, but I wouldn't trade it for anything right now. I'm having so much fun doing this and I hope you guys are enjoying. Here is part 2, race day baby. Caution, you will witness a motorcycle accident. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. What's going on YouTube? We finally made it to Lombok. This is so sick. What an experience. How thankful am I to be here today in Lombok, Indonesia. I want to thank all the Indonesian people for their hospitality. I'm just super excited to be here. I actually just spoke with some of the course marshals here, and the Indonesian government paid for this track to boost tourism in this area. They've been hooked up with the best equipment and some of the most insane infrastructure here, and it is all brand new. I am so excited to see what they can do here in the future. It's endless. I mean, they can have car races here. They're trying to bring F1 to this exact track. And when I say this is a proper GP track, it is a proper GP track. We're out here in the pits right now. What a fantastic place to be. This is absolutely incredible. Wow, wow, wow. Pertamina Mandalika Circuit. That's what the circuit is called. It's right up here. All right, guys, are you ready? Let's fucking go. What are you doing right now, man?
Getting the tape on the bike. You have to cover the lights.
Yeah.
So I'm not very good at it, as you can see.
I prefer to just focus on getting better on the track. But yeah, you have to do this. Can't have any lights or anything blinding other riders.
It's like it's a photo video. Essentially, all the tape and stuff's going on the bike, getting set up to get ready for the track. The lads are having a laugh here because some of them are really shit at taping. Like, as you can see, some of them it's like ass. Great hole. I think you have to. Did you? I think because mine could fall apart.
We're getting ready to go.
The beat's ready, boys.
Yeah, what you got here?
So we've got a Mavic Mini 3 Pro, which I don't know if we're allowed to use yet today, but I'm just going to turn it on and have all my cards on it.
Yeah.
We're going to have to talk to the marshal and see if we can, because it'd be so sweet to even just get some empty track shots.
Yeah.
Maybe after all the races, we might be able to get like a solo shot of Dom doing the track with just a few of the boys.
Yeah.
And we've also got the Blackmagic 6K Pro here. Just formatting cards on this. Thing's a little pocket rocket, man. It's a beast.
All right, let's go.
So yeah, we're all good to go.
Getting ready? Getting ready? Oh, yeah. Awesome. Let's send it. It's 11:30. We're just getting started. Most of the bikes have already showed up and rolled in. Most of the crews are here, and we're about to get going shortly here, I hope. The guys are really stoked. It's going to be a good day. I cannot thank the Indonesian people enough for giving me this opportunity to be here and show you guys a day on a MotoGP track. Let's go. How you feeling?
Feel excited, man. Little bit like
Nervous?
shaky, yeah.
Yeah, it's normal.
Yeah,
You're gonna be fine though. I think you got this.
Because like I'm not using a mirror.
No,
That's
right?
why I
I
cannot
know.
see the back, man.
No mirrors. You just gotta remember there's always somebody behind you, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah. And I'm gonna be listening to music. Really? Yeah, man.
Are you listening to music too?
No, I'm kidding, bro. I'm kidding. Maybe like way too high.
Exhaust music, right?
Yeah. Decoration or
As you can see, we're hooked up with some media bits.
What happened? I went back to grab my laptop and I
We
come
got a
back
helmet.
and see all this stuff.
I know, right? We got this. We're coming at you guys. Let's go.
Damn, look at that, son. Damn. Kook of the day.
Of the day, bro. I'm here with the gentleman that made this happen for us today. What an incredible experience. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for having us. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much
Cool.
for coming here too.
Welcome to Mandalika.
The hospitality here in Indonesia has been insane. I recommend all of you come and check this place out. And I hear you guys are opening up for more tours, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Awesome. When's that happening? Do you know?
May.
May?
Yeah, after
Beautiful.
the Ramadan finish, I will try to starting with twice a month,
Beautiful.
second weekend of the month, and then the fourth weekend of the month.
Beautiful.
Regularly.
Beautiful. So you heard it here yourself. You're gonna get the chance to come down here and try this track for yourself. So stay tuned, guys. The riders are doing a little safety briefing in a room behind you right now. We're gonna go check it out and see what they're up to. So follow me.
Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya.
Check it out. We are inside the pace vehicle right now, guys. This is so cool. Check this out. Okay. We are on the track. What's your name, man? Nice to meet you, man. How are you? Thank you so much for having us, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. Sweet. We're allowed to put our heads outside the window. It's okay? Perfect. Is he coming in as well? No, just us. Just two? Let's go. So we got the second group of riders going out right now. Got the boy on the camera right here. Something super special about this track is that it's actually located right on the beach here in Lombok. This is the beach right here. Beautiful blue water. Wow. This is really an experience. What the hell? Dom's okay. Dom went down. So our boy Dom just went down. No.
Got the high side?
We were there. We just rushed as fast as we could. Man, are you okay,
Dude, I don't know how I saved that from being a full-on high side.
bro?
That was-
we heard it and we ran to it. You're right though. So what happened? You good?
I go back out again. It's gonna be a sick video because I got all the cameras on it. Bro, I went up in the air and I was like, oh no, you fucked up. Brought it back and then the wheel took me under. My first proper high side.
So Dom went down. Dom went down and now he's back. We heard it. We were on track. Heard it crash. Sure enough, we go over and it's Dom. I'm just glad he's okay. Glad you're okay, bro.
Fucking golden, bro. That was like some MotoGP shit. My whole body was off the bike. Only my hands on the handlebar and I saved it.
Cool. Get back out there, bro.
I'm gonna
Let's
like
go.
fight. I need water and chill, bro.
Get back out there. He needs to get back out there. It happens out here on race bikes, you know?
Oh, that was a sick experience. That was so fun.
Let me just highlight, if you crash at these speeds, you're gonna fucking hurt yourself.
Bless the suit for the first time.
Bless the suit, baby. Let's go.
It's warm. You want to try? You want to try? Do you want to smell it?
I'm gonna Give me a whiff. So as you can see, this property is absolutely massive.
Everything I'm doing, so me, all these niggas follow. I ain't begging from my side, said I just pull up big and take that shot. Everything I do is hot, still I gotta prove a lot. Tell me what I gotta do to make you stay now. Let her know what matters, already know the answers. Been a long road, but you stay down. But mommy, we just riding all the way now.
Hey yo, pop the trunk, man.
Decided to come up this hill. Probably one of the nicest views in Indonesia. Part of our racetrack, baby. This whole experience is probably one of the best experiences I've ever had. Like I said a million times before, I feel so honored to be here. Here's a rider coming through now. That's a wrap to an amazing day. And we went fast. I didn't go fast. These guys went fast.
We tried, goes fast. I think a little bit too fast. Ended up in a little bit of a crash. But you guys will see what happened.
Crazy. We're gonna play that footage right now.
The silence is everything. The silence is everything. I don't give a fuck. I don't care what you're about to say. Let's go. What a young man gotta do? I just want a good day.
We're actually headed on the track right now to spread the ashes of a fallen rider who passed away a few months ago here in Lombok after leaving the track. So a touching way to celebrate somebody's life.
That feeling just suddenly came again. But, right, as you seen, bro, our best friend here, right away after the track day, like today, our best friend Antonio, Bradley, on my hand, it is his ashes. And actually, it's not our promise, but we respect to him for the last, what we can do for him. And actually, we are spread at the ocean in Bali, send his ashes to Australia to his mom back. So now, as we respect to him, on behalf of MGPA team here, we thankfully, I would like to spread the Tony ashes here at T1 for respect. Okay?
Yeah, this is your son now, where his favourite place was. And I'm really happy because this is one of his favourite places to be. Now he gets to be here for the rest of his life, for the rest of the eternity of his, well, whatever we want to call it. So.
What are you going, Manila? We're gonna make pray for Tony for the last time. Hopefully Tony rests in peace in heaven. And we are proud to have him as a friend and the best rider here also. Ride in peace, Tony. So we'll see all here. Okay, all done. Now it's completely perfect. Okay. Be a good boy, be a good rider. Please keep this liquid as best as you can. So hopefully all of us can ride here.
Look over us over here.
Here as a direct day member here also. So I want to make a pray for him. So if you guys want to make pray for him, please, okay, on your religion. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you MGPA for the support. That's perfect, yeah.
See you again, my man.
Yeah, so our brother Tony, Aussie legend, one of my first real friends here. We used to ride like all the time. He's the one guy that pick up the phone, he's like, yeah, we're riding. So many memories all across Indonesia. He's a crazy guy as well, just full of life, 40 years old. And he would ride across so many of the islands in the craziest situations, and I've been meaning to do a trip with him across there, but this opened up and we were coming here all the time, riding together. And yeah, quite a few months ago, he had a beautiful track day, full of life as usual, happy, loads of banter, his usual self. Coming back home, piece of road here that's fairly dangerous, that it's tricky. It's over a blind hill into a corner. Obviously we're all tired, dehydrated. This is a lot on the body, a lot on the mind. And it was a freak accident, got caught off guard and passed away on one of the corners just outside of this track. And we have pieces of him. Some of his ashes were spread in Bali, some was sent home to Australia where his parents are. And we held some here. Dwee and Zach, who were really close with him as well. We were a group of riders that always rode together and enjoyed his personality. He was witty, he was funny, he was kind. Whenever something happened to me, he was always there.